Hi, Sarah. I'm responding to your post on As You Learn about the dream job. And I was just reading through your post, and I see that you're interested in getting your master's in public health, which I think is amazing. That's honestly maybe a backup plan for me. I have a lot of different backup plans, but that is one of them. Since my major in undergrad is public health, I could always go and get my master's in it. Over the summer, I did an internship at the health department here in Watauga County, and that really opened my eyes to the possibilities that getting a master's in public health opens up for you. And I really recommend, if you haven't gotten an internship yet or you're looking for another one, definitely apply at the health department here in Watauga County because they have some great people there, and they can definitely provide you with more knowledge about masters of public health. And also see that you're kind of interested in like food security for like school lunch programs and things. And definitely at the health department, they have a lot of those like specialists in that area over there. So you should definitely like get connected with them and talk to them about it because they can really like open up your eyes and like see everything that's possible.